So firstly, these two products are exactly the same. They are both ultra-potent PK flowering boosters. Let's start with shooting powder. This is known as the Sparkling Bud Expander and is the absolute best in its field of flowering stimulators, but containing no PGRs. This pH-balanced additive will allow your plants to reach every last bit of growth they are capable of. It achieves this by forcing your plants to start a new flowering cycle after the regular cycle has stopped, significantly increasing the fruit's total weight. The results of this are visible very soon after first use. The extra yield achieved after applying this product will surprise even the most seasoned of growers. Output increases of up to 20% can be achieved with this product and are very common. The powders for these products are put through a very fine mesh, making them instantly obtainable to your plants. The only difference between shooting powder and top shooter is that top shooter is the liquid version of shooting powder. Start using shooting powder or top shooter towards the end of your flowering cycle, ideally the last 3 weeks. The shooting powder is packaged into handy sachets, making it easy to mix into your tank or reservoir. 1 sachet to 100 litres 3 weeks before harvest, then 2 sachets per 100 litres for the last 2 weeks. With Top Shooter, the dilution rate is 0.7 ml per litre for the last 3 weeks of flower, then increasing to 1.5 ml per litre for the last 2 weeks. Top Shooter is ideal for those smaller scale grows that are hand feeding. Please do not use these two products at the same time or with any other PK boosters. A little top tip when using these two products is just to reduce your base feed ever so slightly.